How to make money at 18. 7 full-time and flexible ways to earn as a teen. At the age of 18, you might think you know everything there is to know about life, but there are still plenty of things you haven't thought of yet. And if you don't take advantage of those things now, they could very well slip away. What if I told you you could start making money at 18? Would you consider it? In fact, you could. The truth is, you may already doing it. There are countless opportunities out there for anyone willing to put in the time, energy, and effort to make it happen. You just need to find the one you want. You see, each one of us is in charge of our lives and you can make whether you want out of it. In this video, I'm going through a process of identifying your strengths and passions and showing you how to leverage them into a successful money-making career. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my Technical Solutions channel and press the bell icon for the future updates. Number 1 is voiceover artist. First of all, being a voiceover artist is very simple. You just need to have a knack of speaking out loud or writing down and having people hear what you say. Although being a voiceover artist is a skill that can be learned by anyone who has a strong interest in making themselves heard, if you want to be a voiceover artist, start by finding something that you are passionate about. Write down every idea you have for making your voice heard. Then begin to practice it. If you are shy, you can find ways to practice it in front of a mirror. As you begin to master your craft, it is important to realize that your voice is unique. While the majority of people sound very similar when speaking, there are distinct differences between how you speak and how others speak. Think about your writing style. And what words do you use? How do you use punctuations? What type of phrases do you use? All of these things contribute to the way you sound, and they also make your writing more personal and individual. Number 2 can be work at the gym. There is a common belief that teens are lazy and don't want to work out. While this may be true in some cases, a lot of teens are really just trying to figure out how to fit fitness into their schedules. With the increase in social media and smartphones, teenagers are now more likely to turn to fitness apps and websites to help them stay active. Some teens even prefer to exercise at home because they don't want to be seen or judged. However, it is an opportunity to work at a local gym. Following are some jobs you can pursue to make money at a gym: nutrition consultant, front desk manager, health and wellness coach, membership coordinator, fitness consultant, personal trainer. Number 3, teach a sport. Teaching kids how to play sports is an awesome thing to do because it teaches them discipline, teamwork, and all kind of valuable life skills. If you are teaching kids how to play a sport, you're also teaching them how to be a part of the team. And this kind of life sessions is something they'll stick with them for years to come. Whether you are coaching a high school or middle school team or trying to teach a young athlete, it's essential to understand what motivates each individual and the specific personality traits that make them tick. Once you have identified those motivations, you can tailor your teaching style to match. Number 4, golf course maintenance. Golf course maintenance is the perfect job to start in your teen years. There are thousands of golf courses throughout the country, and most of them need routine upkeep. It is a low-risk business to get started, and if you can find a golf course that needs some help, you can be sure there are a market of your skills. Yet, doing golf course maintenance as a teen is easy. If you don't have the money to fulfill your expenses to take care of the golf course, you can earn a handsome amount from it. Number 5, do online coaching. Most teens don't realize that they have options for online tutoring beyond simply going to school to teach. Tutor can live anywhere and have their services available on flexible hours, and most teens don't realize that they have this option. Many parents are hesitant to let their kids use the internet for tutoring because they don't want to give up control over the child's learning. However, if you have a student child who is struggling in school, an online tutor can provide a solution that's flexible, convenient, and can help him in a manner that's most beneficial for him or her. Number 6, start a lawn care business. Lawn mowing is a great way to start a small business. It is also an activity that Gil loves to do and is fairly easy to get started in. In addition, the lawn care business can be profitable for teens who start early. Yet, starting a lawn care business as a teen can be lucrative and rare, especially if you have a family sport behind you. Here are some tips to help you achieve success. Be prepared to do grunt work. If you don't have the experience, take on a position that is low paying and allows you to gain experience and knowledge, such as cutting grass or trimming hedges. Be prepared for work hard. No matter what business you start, it takes a lot of time and effort to build a successful business. It may seem easy to start up, but you'll need to put in hours and hours of hard work if you want to see the result. Don't give up if you do not reach your dedicated goals. Instead, work the maximum value to your clients. Number 7 and the last is work at an Amazon warehouse. A warehouse job could be a great opportunity for teens to earn extra money and even break out and mortar while gaining valuable work experience. The work is often fast paced and very physical, but it pays well and offers employees the chance to meet and learn from seasoned professionals. Warehouse jobs include picking and packing, order processing, inventory management, customer service, and maintenance. Many people don't realize that Amazon offers internship positions. While many of these positions may be full-time, paid positions in Amazon's warehouse. Since Amazon need people who will be available to work all hours of day and night, so even if you are not interested in working in an Amazon warehouse, you should still consider applying for one of the many other warehouse jobs that are available throughout the site. Conclusion. In conclusion, the only thing you need to do is to work hard at it and you will get there. You don't need to be a genius to make money online. It's only about knowing what you're doing, having the right mindset, and being willing to work hard for it. I'm sure you have some great ideas that you have been thinking about. You just need to figure out how to get the ball rolling. You will find that if you start a plan and follow through it, you will be able to achieve your goals. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.